Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Once again, this is Kaprotas, breakfast time. My coach, more cook hot pods better to me than more fresh cold pods. That's my coach and observation. But ignore my pods. It's up to you what is your pods and trends. And also, any problems that comes to me, I have a solution. I don't put in heart and mind the problem because it will destroy my everyday life and future. I always say there is a solution in problem. Okay, let's set breakfast time. Press. Only this, the press. Big. Cactus. Mm. Hindi matamis na matamis, kundi kalamtaman ang tamis niya. Mm. Kok.